In previous video, we saw that how to create a 2D world map. Hope you enjoy it. So today we will see how to create a 3D world map using ArcGIS JavaScript. First we create a div and ID name is view div. Now we create a script tag which is help to load specific module from the API. It's help to creating a map. It allows for viewing the map in 3D. This map refers to the map class that was loaded from the ESRI map module. Here I am using base map as a topo vector, but you can also use satellite, hybrid, street view. This map module is calling the map, and center, here we put longitude and latitude value of a particular place or area. Just see example, here we just search Google what is the latitude and longitude value of India. Same as we just copy paste here. Now style the content of the page using style tag. In previous video, we saw that if we did not put these two tags, map is not loading. This script tag helps to load the map, and the link tag contains style specific, ESRI widget and component. So must be put these two tags in code, otherwise map is not loading. This is output. It looks so amazing, right? We can rotate the map and see whole world. This view is amazing. Now if you want to see some particular location, we can just put longitude and latitude value of this location. For example, we want to show Wankhede Stadium on a map. Now search on Google what is latitude and longitude value of this Wankhede Stadium and copy paste here. We cannot see stadium, right? So what we will do? We just increase zoom level and run the application. Now we can see the file.